Hey everyone, welcome back. I am back from my staycation that I had with my baby and family, and I am going to cook whatever I have in our fridge for the day. Before my kale goes totally bad, it's starting to look like this. I am going to make a soup for baby and I. And I think in the past I've just made like a white bean and kale soup and it worked out fine. And I also found some broccoli and some carrots. I do not have regular onion, but I have some like green onion cilantro mix, so I'm just going to use that. And then I found this like parmesan rind in my freezer. I'm gonna throw that in, and then I'll probably add in like chicken bouillon and some garlic. I'm gonna throw that all into the pressure cooker and strip this, chop all the vegetables, and when that's all done, I'll show you what it looks like, and then I will throw it all into the pressure cooker pot. Do you wanna help Mommy? Okay. Okay. So you take this, you take this and you go like this. And you pull all the leaf off. Can you do that?
Mm-hmm. It's so hot.
You did it. Look, go like this. Here, pull the ends off. You just gotta keep trying, and then you'll get it. You got it!
Yeah!
Good job. Here, do this little guy.
It's too cold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
That's good. 8.
22. 22, 22.
9.
9. 10.
10 carrots?
Yeah, we do all them.
All of them?
Yeah.
Okay, that's 11,
1,
12,
5,
13, 14.
Oh, there's that.
Oh no, your hand's stuck. 15, 16.
We do that.
Last one is, say it,
17.
17. It's a little stubby one too. Okay, Mommy's gonna chop all of this up and then we'll put it in the pot. I also opened a can of Great Northern white beans, and so I have my kale, I have chopped up broccoli and some carrots. I'm just gonna add that all to the pressure cooker pot. Probably gonna add only 1 to 2 cups of water. I'm gonna add the parmesan rind. I have about 4 cloves of garlic. We really love the flavor in this house. I'm gonna add these leftover onion. I think there's cilantro in there. It's like green onion, white onion, and cilantro mix. It looks like this. I'll add my water. I'm just adding 2 cups of water. And then I'm just going to add the chicken bouillon powder that I have, which is this one. And then mushroom seasoning as well. So I'll stir it up and probably only cook it for 15 minutes. I don't think it's gonna need that long at all to cook. Once it is all cooked, I will take a beautiful picture, post it on Instagram, and then I'll show you what it looks like. I forgot to take pictures of some stuff that I've been cooking. I have to keep remembering to do that. I can take really great pictures, but for some reason my video, this is why I'm doing this. I'm practicing video quality and how I'm doing all of this. So I'm just trying to move on and do the best I can. I know my baby counted out a bunch of carrots, but I'm just going to use some of them because I want to keep some of them for the fried rice that I'm making as well. So I'm just gonna close this up, start it up, and cook it for 15 minutes. I have my rice that I just cooked here. This is just a little it's a little 3-cup sized rice cooker. So basically I just want this to kind of dry up and cool down, because when you make it into fried rice, if I cook it like this, then it's probably going to stick together and kind of clump together, and we do not want that. So I'm gonna let this kind of cool down, and then I'm just gonna go digging in my pantry to see what I can use to get lunch started. Hey everyone, welcome back. It is the following day. I have a sick child, so I haven't slept and I am just extremely exhausted. I was going to show you yesterday how I made Thai basil fried rice out of leftovers, and I didn't even get to do that. Like, I made the soup, and that's basically what we ate all day. And then I made like banana and ice cream with a bunch of fruit, just to get fruit and as much vegetables into my kid's system as possible. But now I'm going to make fried rice using, it's a clean out my fridge kind of Thai inspired rice. I have some leftover steak, some green onions, some garlic, eggs. I had some carrots. I have some snap peas, snow peas, and Thai basil. I absolutely love how this smells. I'm probably going to use all of this in my rice because for some reason I just want to eat this herb, so I'm just gonna load her up. And then I have gluten-free hoisin sauce. This is the one that I use. I'm also going to use a little bit of fish sauce. And then I have my gluten-free Golden Mountain soy sauce and some butter. This is actually the oyster sauce. It's certified gluten-free and it's labeled gluten-free up here as well. I'm also adding hoisin sauce and oyster sauce. I have soy sauce, hoisin sauce, oyster sauce, and I'm going to add some sugar, and then I'm going to cook everything up. So I sliced the beef chunks that I had into these little thin pieces. I chopped up all the veggies, separated all of the leaves for the basil, and I have butter and some eggs and then the sauce. And I have the rice over there, and I'll just get to cooking everything. right, there it is. I made a Thai basil fried rice with beef, and I made it gluten-free, and it looks amazing. It smells delicious. I'm going to take a picture for Instagram if you want a better view of it, and I'll insert a better picture maybe, but there it is. It smells really great, and from what I tasted, it tastes really good too. Hey guys, welcome back. It is Saturday. Tomorrow is Father's Day, and I am making my husband's Father's Day dinner tonight because he's working tomorrow. We decided to stay in, and I'm going to make my husband's favorite meal. I figured out the best way to make steaks in a cast iron grill, so I'm going to show you how I make that. We have a bunch of fresh produce that we're going to make, and I also soaked some sticky rice. So our favorite is to just have steak and sticky rice and vegetables, just kind of finger foods that we can eat. I'm going to put all this together and we'll show you what it looks like once we're done. Oh, so we have ribeye steaks, and then we have some asparagus, some broccolini, and some fresh corn, probably grown across the street from us here. And then we have butter, garlic, and rosemary. That's for the steak. All we're going to do is boil some water and drop the corn in for literally like 2 to 3 minutes. And then I'll probably pan saute the asparagus and broccolini in the same pan that we cook the steak. And that's it. That's how we're gonna make dinner. And then for the sticky rice, I have really bad luck with those sticky rice baskets. I've probably broken every single one that I've used. To make the sticky rice, I just have some sticky rice here that I've been soaking for most of the day. You'll know that it's ready because it will kind of double in size. When I washed this, the sticky rice was about down to here, so it's like kind of swelled up that much. And then I use a pot like this. This is like a regular pasta pot, and instead of the pasta insert, I use the steam basket insert, which is like 2 to 3 inches tall. So I'm just going to start up the water like if I'm steaming vegetables, but instead cover this inside with parchment paper. I'm gonna put the sticky rice in there and cook it for about 45 minutes, and it comes out perfect every time. The rice is in the pot, and I'm going to set a timer, and it should be ready in about 45 minutes. All right, I plated my husband's plate. There's the steak, sticky rice. We have some broccolini, and then all we do is butter and salt on the corn. Sometimes if I have the ingredients, I'll make it into like a elote with like mayo, Parmesan cheese, things like that. If you have had sticky rice and you do not eat it with this chili paste, I don't know what you are doing. I feel like it is the only way to eat sticky rice. I ordered this online through Etsy, and it is amazing. I hope to continue to order from this company and that they're doing well. I'll put their link. I haven't checked up on them in a while, and it is the best combination. It's so spicy, and like I said, this is all finger food, so I'll just put like a little bit here and dip and take pieces of everything together and eat it together. There's the paste. This is so fragrant. I wish I knew how to make it, but if I did make it, I don't know what I would do with that amount of the chili paste. So I'm really glad I finally found a company. This is the company here. It's Lauven it. They did a word play on Lao, which I totally love. But yeah, I'm so glad companies like this exist, because then I can have my fix of the chili paste with the sticky rice. But again, this is my husband's Father's Day meal, and it's one of our favorites to make in the summertime. And that's it. I hope you give it a try and have a great day, guys. Bye.